Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. His Excellency, the High Commissioner, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for your coming here and participating in this ceremony, Janmashtami, Advent of Krishna. The subject matter have been ordered to speak on is Advent of Krishna. Krishna says in the Bhagavad-gita, Janma karma me dibbam, ju janati tattat, tatta deham punar janma noiti mameti ko. This fact that we can achieve such a stage of life when we can stop our birth and death. So amritattaya kalpate. This morning I was explaining this verse. Jangna bhathayanti iti purusam purusara samas dukkha sukham dhiram sa amritattaya kalpate. Amritatta means immortality. So, the modern civilization, they have no idea, either the great philosopher, great politician or great scientist, that it is possible to attain the state of immortality. Amritatta. We are all Amrita. In the Bhagavad-gita, it is said, na jayate na amriyate va kadachi. We living entities, we never die, never take birth. Nitya shasatayang nahannate hannamane sarire. Every one of us, we are eternal, Nitya. Shasana Purana, the oldest. And after annihilation of this body, we do not die. Nahannati. The body is finished, but I have to accept another body. Tatha dehantara prapti dhiras tatta namayati dehinasmin yatha dehe kaumanam jauvanam jara. This simple thing, at the present moment, they are lacking knowledge that we all living entities, part and parcel of Krishna, we are eternal. We are blissful and we are cognizant. Krishna is described in the Vedic Shastras. Ishara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radi Govinda Sarvakarana Karana. Sachidananda Vigraha. God, Krishna, when I speak Krishna, that means God. If there is any important name, God, it is sometimes said God has no name, that's a fact. But God's name is given by his activities. Just like Krishna accepted the sonhood of Maharaj Nanda, or Jasoda mind, or Devaki, or Vasudev. Vasudev and Devaki were Krishna's real father and mother. Nobody is real father and mother of Krishna, because Krishna is the original father of everyone. But when Krishna comes here, advance, he accepts some devotee as his father, as his mother. Krishna is the original, Adi Purusam, Adyam Purana Purusam, Namajauvanam. He is the original person. They must be very old. No. Adyam Purana Purusam Navajauvanam. Always fresh youth. That is Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.